Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bmaa. I have today ingredients 5 pound worth and I'll be cooking for 6 people. So in the menu, Tarka dal, mixed vegetable and chicken pilao rice. Please watch full video to learn this money saving, easy cooked with basic ingredient recipe. I have here 250 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. That cost me £1.50. Garlic and ginger paste and 2 spoons of yogurt. I will be marinating this. Mild Madras curry powder, a spoon of mild Madras curry powder. Mix them together. If you don't have spice, you can skip that bit. But important is to add lemon juice. You can squeeze fresh lemon, but I have here salad dressing lemon juice. Leave this to marinate. And first of all, I'm gonna start on my lentils, Masoor dal. Wash them and soaked for 20 minutes before washing. Add half of the onions chopped and salt and some oil and leave this covered in a slow heat for about 10 minutes. While the lentils is cooking, I'm gonna start on my frozen vegetable from Iceland. I got that for £1 and I had 2 potatoes which I will be adding. So clean them, slice. In a pan with oil goes my onions, then I add straight away the vegetables. So I will be cooking the mixed frozen vegetable first for about 5-6 minutes. Then I will be adding the potatoes and a spoonful of mixed curry powder. Please subscribe with the bell icon on so you get all the notification of every video I upload. I've added potatoes and spices and now some coriander leaves. This vegetable needs about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. And finally I've added green chili and some tasting salt. Now my lentils, I need to mash them with a spoon. So it's important to add little water at the beginning. That way it helps the lentils. And now adding turmeric powder. And then I will add 2 glasses of water. Leave this to cook for another 5 minutes. And now I've added chopped coriander leaves and it's time for tarka. So I've added a spoonful of ghee and 5-6 cloves of garlic chopped until brown, and then goes in my lentils. That's tarka dal. I've added a scotch bonnet, a couple of pieces because I like a little bit spicier. This is optional and it looks really nice. soak rice with boiled water. That helps to cook faster. So I have here marinated chicken which I left earlier, and here goes in a pan a butter and the marinated chicken. I have not used anything else. Cook for 5-6 minutes. Do not overcook this. And then add the clean washed rice. And I will roast rice before adding milk. Added couple of green chilies. This is optional. Now I'm adding milk. If it's 2 cups of rice, then you add 4 cups of fluid. Because I'm so used to cooking, so I did not measure. As long as the rice is covered and you leave it in a slow heat, and I've soaked rice with boiled water, so that should be enough. Now I have the 1 onion chopped and in oil. I'll be frying this. It's called onion barista. That goes in top of the pilao rice for garnishing. It looks like. So I'm adding a bright red color. You can skip that. This is optional. It just makes it look special from a restaurant. This really helps my kids to eat anything, for them to try the food I cook. Using the fork to separate the rice and mix the color, everything together. Thank you for watching.